The question is, are real estate agents obsolete? And the answer is not quite yet. In this video, we're going to talk about why real estate agents are not yet obsolete, what the future may hold for them, or us I should say, and the reasons and the reality will surprise you, especially coming from a real estate agent. Hi, my name is Joel Weihe. I've been a not quite obsolete real estate agent in the state of Kansas since 2009. And that's where I get the expertise, the knowledge, and the experience that I use to teach you to sell your house yourself. So do yourself a favor if you are thinking about selling your house yourself, and subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to show you how you can sell your house fast and sell it for more money. Using one of the 2 million plus real estate agents in the United States is still the most prevalent way to buy and sell a house. It's still the most popular way and the most used. But there's a lot of interlopers that are coming in and trying to change that, or disrupt the industry, if you will. We're going to go through a few of those quick here. Like, first are the Ibuyers. The Ibuyers are companies that will come in and buy your house from you outright. And don't mistake these for like the mini flippers that are out running around. They're not. You see those signs on the side of the road that say "We buy houses." It's not those. They don't buy your house for cheap and then fix it up and resell it. They give you pretty close to market value. They're a little more expensive than using a real estate agent, but the convenience is very good. It means that you don't have to go through the whole anxiety of listing your house, repairs, appraisals, and all that. An iBuyer will come along, make you an offer. If you accept it, you're pretty much done. Aside from the iBuyers, which are super convenient and they're really gaining in popularity, are what we talk about mostly here on my channel, is for sale by owners. There are more and more for sale by owners every year. And if you look at the numbers from the National Association of Realtors, they still have that number at around 8%, and it's been there forever. But the way they do their math to come to that number is a little fuzzy. Like they say that they only count the people that don't use a real estate agent at all whatsoever. And a lot of people selling their house themselves use a buyer's agent. Some people selling their house use an agent to help them price their house. So the number is really actually a lot higher. And there's also a lot of misnomers out there about a real estate agent can sell your house for like an extraordinary amount more than you could on your own. And those numbers are also fudged a little bit. There's been companies that have done side-by-side comparisons in the same neighborhoods with the same type of houses, and they all find that a real estate agent is really not going to get any more for your house than you are. By far, the biggest threat to the real estate agent is Zillow. And real estate agents have been in denial about that for years. When Zillow first came online, their big thing to agents was that we're here to work with you. We're not going to take your business away from you. The thing is that Zillow makes most of their money by selling real estate leads to agents. And Zillow is growing fast. In fact, last quarter of 2020, their year-over-year revenue grew 158% to $943.9 million. And for the full year, their consolidated revenue year-over-year was $2.7 billion. That's $2.7 billion. That's right. And Zillow is also branching off into other aspects of the real estate industry. For instance, now you can get a mortgage with Zillow. They have Zillow Home Loans. And they also bought out Mortgage Lenders of America. And Zillow has Zillow Instant Offers that we talked about earlier. They're in the iBuyer business. So you can just sell your house directly to Zillow and be done with it like that. And Zillow also just recently bought a showing service. Now what a showing service is that's a company that us real estate agents use to schedule showings for our buyers. And that's one of the main reasons why people still use real estate agents or need them, is to gain access to houses. And that's not to mention that Zillow will also post your for sale by owner on its site for free. And Zillow attracts a lot of eyes. So that's a big benefit for sale by owners also. And the scariest thing for real estate agents is now Zillow is becoming a licensed brokerage across the United States. In almost every state now, Zillow is a licensed brokerage that can actually run agents and gain access to the MLSs across the country. As long as Zillow is making their money from real estate agents buying leads, real estate agents will remain relevant. But when Zillow finds a more profitable way forward, that could actually be the demise of the real estate industry. It could be the end of the traditional real estate agent as we know it. And thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe to this channel, because the best way to sell your house is still by yourself, because that's how you make the most money without having to pay anybody but putting all that money in your pocket.